Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm doing a little something different. I am going to be setting up my Christmas planner that I will be using for this coming Christmas and then as long as I can in the years to come. So this is the Christmas extension pack from the Happy Planner. It's the new one that was just released. And then I have some mini black plastic discs. I also grabbed the month of December from a vertical seasonal planner that I actually picked up at Walmart several months ago. It was an 18-month planner and it was only $5, so that was a pretty good deal. So I have that, and then I've already opened it because I actually opened it and have started writing some things in it. But I also today in the mail received my seasonal covers from Heather Kell at Kellofaplan. So in this pack there is one for spring, and then on the back or on the inside cover she has important things this season with 4 little circles that you can use a wet erase marker to write down important things for the season. So then she has summer. This says a little bit of summer is what the whole year is all about. And actually, I didn't read this. This says, spring is a lovely reminder of how beautiful change can truly be. I love the colors on this cover. And then she has fall. This is so pretty. It says, life starts all over again when it gets crisp in the fall. I like that one. Then there's a winter one that says, winter is the time for comfort, good food, and warmth. It is time for home. And I really like that. And then she has a Christmas, or you can choose Christmas or Hanukkah. So I got the Christmas one that says, believe in the magic of Christmas. And then the inside cover of all of those look the same. And then this is her back cover. And I really like this. It's black and white stripes on the inside, and then it's like polka dot on the back side. So you get one back cover and 4 front covers. So each polka dot that is on the back cover matches the circles, that are actually on the covers. So what I plan to do with this, and I'm actually going to have to get some more back covers, but I've got plenty of covers to choose from. But I want to make 4, sorry about my light guys, I want to make 4 seasonal planners that I can use as memory planners throughout the years. So I hopefully will be showing you those on my channel soon, but I'm going to start that in 2020. But today I'm going to actually flip my back cover upside down, and it does make the Kellofaplan upside down, but that's okay with me. And I'm going to use this as the front cover and then the stripes as the back cover for my Christmas planner. And so I ordered these as soon as she released them, and I believe they were $49.95 for the set of covers and the back. So I did contact Heather, and she does have more available in her Etsy shop if anyone is interested in purchasing some, and I will have that link down below in my description box. So it is Heather Kell or Kellofaplan's Etsy shop where these are available. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go ahead and put this extension pack in now that I've got my discs on. And I'm hoping that I'll use this every Christmas for years to come, and that I will eventually have to change to classic size discs, and then hopefully maybe expander discs. So I just think this is a neat thing to have, like keepsake seasonal planners or seasonal memory planners or holiday organization planners. So I really love this idea, and I'm glad that Heather came out with these seasonal covers. So let's see. I'm not sure that I'll use all of these sections this year, but I don't want to leave anything out. All of these sections came in that extension pack, and I do have a flip through of this Christmas extension pack on my channel, and I'll try to link that up in the corner for you. So I think I'm going to put my December calendar back here in the back, and what I'm going to do with that is just plan out or note any holiday parties. Like on December 14th we have a youth group Christmas party, and I also have a women's Christmas party at church. So I'm just going to use this like as a seasonal calendar. just to keep in here. So let me go through and show you what all I'm going to be using these for. So this is going to be a quick video. This extension pack does come with these pretty and cute little stickers, so I'll put that in there. So we have the menu, and then you have different dates, like maybe a party menu or something like that. I do want to start as a tradition this year making Christmas dinner. So my kids are getting older, of course grandparents are getting older, so I feel like it's time for me to start the tradition here. So I'm going to start cooking Christmas dinner. So these recipe cards are going to come in really handy for me because I've never cooked Christmas dinner before. We've always gone to grandma's house or families. So it comes with 2, 4, 10 recipe cards, and then you can always throw your Happy Planner recipe cards in here too if you run out of space. And then we have a party organizer. So I did go ahead and start writing some things in here. That's why I covered up these names with sticky notes. But our youth Christmas party planner, I started planning out who was going to attend. We need to finish planning the rest. And then you have several of those for any Christmas parties that you're going to have. Then we have a cookie exchange, and the women at church are having a cookie exchange this year, but I've got so much going on that I don't think I'm actually going to participate this year, so I may try this next year if they do it again. But you have several cookie recipes for a cookie exchange, and I do like the way it kind of gives you helpful tips for a fun cookie exchange in here too. Then we have cards and gifts, and I went ahead and wrote down some of the main gifts that we do need to buy. It says you put their name, what, where, and whether it was purchased and wrapped. So you get several of those, and this would last me several years because I don't buy too many gifts. And then we have stocking stuffer ideas. We've got several sheets of those. And then a Christmas cards list, and I don't send out Christmas cards. That's just something I've never really done. I think I've tried it once or twice, and I don't know, but we'll leave these in here, and I may repurpose this for something else, who knows. And then we have memories. So I do like this holiday traditions, and really the only holiday tradition that we have currently is that my boys get to open one present on Christmas Eve. So that's something that my family always did when I was a child, and then we've always just done that here too. But then we have favorite memories. So I'd love to put like some little snapshots in here. I have I think it's the HP Sprocket. It's the little portable printer. So, and it prints out sticker photos. So I'd love to start doing that here, like with every year. And then we have a notes page. So I really like the way this is all set up, and I'm excited to actually start using it and continue to use it and just kind of have something to look back on throughout the years. And that's the same thing I want to do with these seasonal covers. I want to have like, and I may even use like dot grid paper in those planners just to, you know, put some photos, some sticker photos, and maybe some notes of things that go on during those seasons throughout the different years. So this is what my Christmas planner looks like when it's all finished. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a happy and safe holiday. It is almost here. So if you guys like this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider. If you do subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell so you don't miss any notifications. And I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.